Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Today our lecture is for the class 1 with the course book. As you know that today our lecture is for the class 1 English. Okay, today our topic that is we are going to start is about the how to brush your teeth on the course book page number 28. Okay, now let's start. How to brush your. Okay, today our topic is about the name of the chapter is how to brush our teeth. It means that we have a clear concept in our mind. If this chapter is about to brush our teeth. Brush means brush. Your teeth means, as you know that your teeth. This chapter is about how to brush your teeth. Now come on the big question number 28. As we know, the reading is doing by yourself under the guideline of your parents and the tutor. Look at this picture. See how many girls brushes her teeth. Here is what we must do. Keep our teeth clean. As you know that there is a picture, and as you know that there are some girls who are showing that they are brushing their teeth. First of all, what we do on the brush our teeth? Put a little toothpaste on your toothbrush. Means that a small amount of toothpaste is put on your toothbrush. Brush your teeth bottom, then brush your teeth bottom. Brush your teeth top teeth. Brush your top teeth. Brush the back and the front of every teeth. Means that brush your teeth from the back side and the front side. Rinse your mouth with water. Wash your face with water. Look at your teeth sparkle, and look, your teeth sparkle. When you do your brush your teeth will be shiny. Remember to brush your teeth at least twice a day. When do you brush your teeth? It means that they are giving the concept you have to brush your teeth at least 2 times in a day. As you know that you are a small kids and it is very necessary to brush your teeth, and to brush your teeth you have to do 2 times in a day. It means that आपको दिन में 2 times brush करना चाहिए अपने teeth को. It's a good habit and it is very important for you because if you brush your teeth you will never get ill. आप कभी भी बीमार नहीं होंगे अगर आप teeth को brush करेंगे तो. Now come on the page number 29. Reading comprehension. That is about page number 29. As you know that we read the whole chapter and there is a comprehension that we have to put the numbers by giving these lines. They are giving you different lines and you have to put the numbers in front of them by keeping them, arranging them in a proper order. Number the sentences in the correct order. The first has been done for you. As you know, put a little toothpaste on your toothbrush. आपने पूरा लेसन को रीड आउट किया, उसके बाद अब आपने बताना है कि कौन सी लाइन which number the line will be. उसको कौन सा नंबर पर आना चाहिए. First of all, they have done put a little toothpaste on your toothbrush. Second one, brush your bottom teeth. Next one is about brush your top teeth. Look at your teeth sparkle. You have to put the numbers on it. Now come on the next page, page number 30. Okay, this page is about the vocabulary. As you are in the KG class, you know about you are listening the rhyme schemes which about the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday days of the week rhyme. As you know that this page is about this rhyme. Like these are the 7 days in a week. As you know that how many days in a week? You have no 7 days. There are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Each day of the week begin with a capital letter. They are saying that each day of the week begin with a capital letter and you have again put the numbers before the day that on which number the day will be there. आपने numbers के according उन days को arrange करना है, बताना है कि कौन सा day पहले आता है. As they know that they are Sunday, जैसे उन्होंने आपको बताया भी है, Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And you have to put these numbers in a proper order. Okay? Now come to book page number 31, which is about your grammar page. The word, as we know that we have the clear concept about the 3 letters like is, are and am. These are the 3 letters like is, are and am. When we talk about a single person, we use am. For example, I am a single girl, so that's why I. And always remember, when we begin the letter I, we use the word am, like I am. ओके जब किसी सिंगल पर्सन की बात की जाती है, कोई एक इंसान होता है, तो उसके लिए हमेशा am यूज करते हैं। इसी तरह से as you know that boy के लिए he and girl के लिए she यूज होता है, तो उसके साथ डिफरेंट लेटर्स को यूज किया जाता है। अगर गर्ल होगी तो हमें we know that she यूज करेंगे, और she या he जो भी होगा उसके साथ हम यूज करते हैं is। ठीक है, क्या यूज करते हैं? is को यूज करते हैं हम। ठीक है, उसके बाद जब ज्यादा when we talk about a lot of peoples, we use the letter R. When we talk about more than 2 or 3 peoples, we use R. Like जब ज्यादा सारे क्लासरूम में स्टूडेंट्स हों तो हम टॉक करते हैं like these are all the students, these are all the boys. So हमने लेटर कौन सा यूज किया? R. ग्रामर में हमने तीन चीजों के बारे में लर्न किया, is, are and am. When we talk about a singular person, we use am. When we talk about he and she, we use is, and we talk about 2 or 3 persons, we use the letter are. These are all about the grammar page, and we have to read this on the page number 31. The word am, is and are simple present tense. They talk about the is, are, am are the simple present tense of the verb. We always, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, use with the noun pronoun I, यानी हमेशा I के साथ क्या लगता है? am. We use is with the pronoun he, she, it. He और she के साथ क्या लगता है? is. We use are with the pronoun you. You के साथ या they के साथ या ज्यादा सारे लोगों के साथ क्या लग जाता है? are. If they talk about one girl, one sister, they use am. He is talking with her father, and so that's why he use is, and they are two. So that's why we use are. Now here is an exercise. You have to solve this under the guideline of your parents and tutor. Fill in the blanks with the letter am, is or are. आपने इस एक्सरसाइज को, इस पेज को सॉल्व करना है, इस पार्ट को by using am, is और are. As I am recalling again, when we talk about singular letter, we use am. When we talk about he, she, it, we use is. But when we talk about 2 or 3 persons, we use are. Like we, they. So that's why we use are. Now clear concept? Okay, now come on the next page, which is about page number 32. Go to page number 32, which is about punctuation. Do you have any concept about this? Punctuation means when we write a sentence, whenever we write a sentence on your notebook, we put a full stop, like full stop. एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन मार्क या छोटे सा फुल स्टॉप को लगा देना हमारे लिए क्या कहलाता है? पंक्चुएशन कहा जाता है. We know that a sentence begin with a capital letter and we put a full stop at the end of a sentence. हमें पता है कि जब भी हम कोई सेंटेंस को राइट करते हैं तो उसका हमेशा फर्स्ट वर्ड क्या होता है? कैपिटल होता है. और जब सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट कर देते हैं तो उसके लास्ट में क्या लगाते हैं? फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं. तो ये हमारा क्या होता है? पंक्चुएशन होता है. ठीक है, अब आपके साथ ये एक एक्सरसाइज है, एड अ फुल स्टॉप एट द एंड ऑफ ईच सेंटेंस. उन्होंने आपको कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं, यू हैव टू पुट द एंड फुल स्टॉप एट द एंड ऑफ ईच सेंटेंस. आपने हर सेंटेंस के लास्ट पे क्या लगाना है? फुल स्टॉप लगाना है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज अबाउट द correct the sentence, rewrite them in a space below. How does the sentence begin? How does it end? आपने इसी तरह से जैसे ऊपर आपको जिस फुल स्टॉप ऐड करना है यहाँ पर, इसी तरह उन्होंने आपको यहाँ पे सेंटेंस दिया है. आपने क्या करना होगा? पहली लेटर को कैपिटल करेंगे एंड लास्ट पे क्या लगा देंगे? फुल स्टॉप लगाएंगे. ओके, मेक एज अ ग्रीन टूथ ब्रश. With arranging these all, first letter will be capital and put the full stop on the last. Same as it is, you have to complete this page. Okay, now come on the next page, which is about your spelling. Read the words below. They begin with the th sound. In वाले letters में we read that the th will be in the starting point and in these letters the th will be in the last point. Read the words below. They begin with the th sound like thank, thick, thumb, thin, think and think. Read the words below. They end with the th sound. इनमें जो th sound है वो स्टार्टिंग में है और इनमें जो th sound है वो लास्ट पे है. उसी तरह से fill in the blanks with the letter in the words below. यहाँ पे उन्होंने आपको कुछ एक्सरसाइज के तौर पे कुछ पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ कर दी हैं. आपने बताना होगा कि वहाँ th स्टार्टिंग में आएगा या लास्ट पे आएगा. like tooth, like think, like thumb, like mouth. You have to put th on the beginning and the last page. Now in this page, when you are in the school, we have to solve these pages like the listening page by listening the rhyme in the school. But now as you know that you are at your homes, so that's why we are not solving this. We are now doing this page number 36. Now read the greeting in the sentence below. These are conversation between different students and you have to write down what they are, the time it will be. Good morning, Mr. Khan. Who is he? Who is he? Mr. Khan. And they are coming with the Mr. Khan and says good morning. When you come to the school in the morning time, you have to say good morning. And when you the teacher, the students will also say good morning to teacher when you come to school. Look at the pictures below. Write a greeting for each picture. Remember to add a full stop at the end of each sentence. Like it's a night time. Now it's in the classroom, and you have to put what they will be. Good morning or good night. Solve this page. Now again next page is about the TH sound and TH letters. In the whole chapter we learned about these things. Now it's a time for page number 37. We learned in this chapter about the capital letter. We learned about the chapter's grammar point is R and M. In the whole chapter we learned about the capital letters. We learned about the A's, R and M letters. We learned about the concept of capital letters. We given the concept about the punctuation like a full stop question mark and full stop statement, and we learned about the TH sounds like starting and the ending sound. These are all about your course book work. Now it's your task to complete some different pages, like I am assigning you different homework. Okay, now it's all about your whole chapter. Okay, thank you so much. Now we can do our notebook work. Okay students, as you know that these are all about our notebook work, and in this chapter the name of the chapter is how to brush our teeth. The name of the chapter is how to brush our teeth. Now these are all about your notebook task. As you know that on your notebook, this is your notebook. As you know that this is your notebook, English notebook, and you have to question number 1, which is about, you have to write like that, how to brush your teeth. The first question is about dictation. Dictation, few words are given there like T-E-E-T-H, teeth, B-R-U-S-H, brush, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, F-R-O-N-T, front, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Again recalling this word, dictation words, teeth, brush, mouth, front and little. These are all about your dictation words. The next task on your notebook is about words antonyms. Word antonyms means that opposite words. Clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. It's the opposite word. Dirty, D-I-T-R-Y, dirty. F-R-O-N-T, front. B-A-C-K, back. T-O-P, top. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. F-O-R, for. G-E-T, get, forget. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. H-U-G-E, huge. The next task is on your notebook is about your make sentences. First word is about L-O-O-K, look. Look means look after. Dekhna. L-O-O-K, look at me. Means look at me. Next word is about C-L-E-A-N, clean. Clean means साफ. I keep my room clean. Means आप अपने room को clean रखते हैं. These are the 3 different words as I am giving you, and you have to make the sentences like B-R-U-S-H, brush, T-E-E-T-H, teeth, and S-P-A-R, S-P-A-R-K-L-E, sparkle. You have to make these 3 sentences on your notebook. This is a task for you. Okay, the next task on your notebook is about answer these questions. Now, these are the questions as I am giving you, and you have to write down the answers on to it. How many times do you brush your teeth? आप डे में how many times, एक दिन में कितने टाइम टीथ को ब्रश करते हैं अपने आप? As you know that you have to read in your lesson reading and you have to write down the answer. Next question, how do you brush your teeth? आप अपने teeth को brush कैसे करते हो? The next question is why it is important to brush our teeth. आप अपने teeth को brush करना क्यों important है आपके लिए? And you have to write down the answers of these on your notebook. This is a task for you. Now last work on your notebook is about sound words. Sound words with the starting and the ending letter th. As we know, these are few words that begin with the letter th, and these are the few words that end with the letter th. इन सब लेटर्स में आप नोट करेंगे ये सब लेटर्स th से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, और इस वाले के जो सारे वर्ड्स हैं इनमें जो लास्ट का लेटर है वो क्या है? th है. Means these are the starting letters and these are the ending letters. First of all, this this, thin thin, that, thumb, thick thick. Next one, both, tooth, with, with, mouth, health, health. These are all your starting and the last ending points, and these are all about your notebook work like dictations, words antonyms, make sentences, answer these questions, and the sound words. Okay, thank you so much. This is all about your chapters. Chapter number 3, how to brush your teeth. Okay student, this is the task for you. You have to complete in the whole week for the class 1. Complete, solve, course book page number. I am giving you some page numbers, so that's why you have to complete under the guideline of your teachers and tutors and parents, like page number 31, 32, 33, 36 and 37. Plus, learn complete unit number 3 from the notebook. As you know that we are giving you notes, and these are the notes are available in the schools. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact with the school. With the contact number, the given number are given on the official websites also. So thank you so much. We will be very thankful to you for this.